You can make me cry 1,000 times. But you're never going to make me lose my mind. I really sincerely love you with all my heart. And just when I say I will not give any less to the person who truly deserves my heart. This why I guess this is the reason why my mom always warned me that I was too naive to fall in love, but I did not listen to her. But hey, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. You're never going to make me lose my mind. I promise to mend my heart and keep it for the person who truly deserves it.